America!
Well, if you can bring your mom in, so I can get her number.
That would be perfect if that works.
There's a time when they drain the whole river.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they close it off.
Again, the three-story building I was talking about that weighed quite a few hundred tons. And because they could not reinforce the bottom of this bridge anymore, you see that little black purple run.
Hey,
Captain Air!
And that's after they sell me all their money.
Whoa! They won! Yay! We are heading to the first signing session of the weekend. And hello, we're at day one. I've brought Kieran over for the first time on my guesting trips. This is going to be our first guest signing first, and then after that we have a bunch of judging sessions, and then my leather workshop, and also my horror story panel as well. So everything is getting done today because tomorrow is going to be an all-day judging day. So let's go straight to the con. Yay! Oh my god, it's massive! This is just the lobby. Holy shit. And then there are halls that way, halls up there. Wow, everything is bigger in Texas. We're here. Look at this banner. Look at this pick selection. They didn't just choose all the slots for once. Everything's so far away. Hello! Session 1 is done. We are now off to judgment. This is the first of many pre-judging sessions over the weekend. One today and then all day tomorrow. Very much looking forward to all the entrants. And we're now just trying to get there on time and get briefed as judges. Yay!
2 hours later.
We just did the first of many sessions of prejudging. We ended on a really good note.
So many prizes.
Oh shit, we're on our way to our table now. We are late. Oh crap. Another signing thing doney, and we are now on the way to the leatherworking workshop. It's just going to be an hour of smashing leather and letting everyone have a go at it as well. We're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to go set up now. Yay! The reason why that is one, it smells amazing. You drag it. So, like that, and then, hello, final stop of the day is Cosplay Horror Stories. So we're gonna head up back to the, back to the panel rooms, and we're gonna share some trauma. So, our little detour back to our little hot sauce pickle bourbon shot. Generous donor, thank you very much. It's gonna be chaotic. Yeah, and then it burns, that kind of thing. And I went back to sewing, and then like about 5 minutes later, like the fire had traveled from like this here, but it was like it's working its way through the system and setting everything on fire in its wake. and at this point, I was like, I made a terrible mistake. And so I went, hey, be right back, chat. I'm gonna like go pee. Like, you know, the general like be right back chat will be back in about 5 minutes, taking a little break. So I'll be like on my be right back screen and the chat's just hanging out, you know? And little did chat know, I was like going to my bathroom to just take a really cold shower because I was in so much pain. I was just like, and then a shower. I was like, I was taking the shower, and the shower, like, at first I was like, oh, I'm in so much pain. To, you know, I've been here for a while. I'm starting to like contemplate the universe. So I'm just like, oh yeah. And then it became a bath. Like I just plugged the bathtub, and I was like, oh, I have enough water now. So I'm just gonna sit down for a bath. And what happened there was I completely forgot that I was still on stream. I forgot I was online and there was a chat waiting for me. So I was like, just in the bathroom. and then a few more minutes later, I was like, wait, shit, I'm still online. So I got on my phone and accessed my chat that way, and I was like reading the chat, and everyone was like, does anyone know his emergency contacts? Do you know if he's living with anybody that we know? Is there any way we can check on him? Is he okay? Like the chat was freaking out.
I overheard the adults talking after the panel, and
yay, we're done! Day 2. Oh, day one. Oh my god. Day 1 is over. Cosplay Horror Stories was amazing. We had a guest appearance from Nipa, he's over there. And we are now going to go freedom out and find tacos. Yeet and eat. Yeet and eat. Oh my god, it's real. It's real. It's real. The church people telling us we're gonna go to hell. It's real. I thought this only happened in news. I don't know. I'm not from here, and this is wild. Day 2 is pretty much near the end of day 2 now, but we're brothers! And we may finish Clive to a wearable condition. This is the idea of Clive. And now we're just rushing to cosplay, judging the stage portion. This is the end of the day. We've been pre-judging all day. That's why I haven't been filming at all today. So we're going to finish up the day with the stage portion of the cosplay contest. Good luck everybody, and I'm looking forward to the show. On our way to judging now, and this is my fellow judge, Tara, Afro Queen. Look how gorgeous she is. Hit me. Hit me. Hit her. We're going to go and head to the judging hall now. So excited to see everybody. There are so many strong contestants. Good luck. Good luck. Yeah! Wow. This is the stage, and this is my face. Ah! Whoa! Oh, mine is so much darker, but this is art. It's art. Oh wait. It's art.
my judge's choice goes to a particular cosplayer who not only has a costume that looks great up close and afar, and still, and in motion. Most of all, I was just so impressed that even though they came onto the stage so late for us, that they, at 8:44 p.m. on a Saturday night, did cardio for us on stage and cooked for us with a handmade kitchen in his And something I really want to point out on her costume is her adorable little bun hat here. But both Afro Queen and I were wondering, oh, how did you get that stitch? There was no stitch, it's just like an elastic band on a bun. And it gets the shape. It's so clever. Let's give it a round of applause.
Right now, we will not pick them after the show.
Yeah, winners!
Congratulations, judges, get in there.
Oh geez, I nearly walked into the river. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to Kieran! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Yeah, oh, here you go. Camera for a couple seconds. Hey! Thank you so much. It's so nice to see you guys at the end of the day. Yay! Well,